Excel functions. Part 9. Imagine you are reviewing a business report and need to check whether expenses stay within an approved budget. Rather than checking each figure manually, you can use a function that automatically returns a result based on whether a condition is met. What will you learn? You will learn how to use the if function in Microsoft Excel to display different results based on the information entered. So, what does the if function do? In simple terms, it checks a condition. For example, let's say my team plays a match and I look at the final score. If my team wins, I am happy. If my team does not win, meaning the match is a draw or a loss, then I am not happy. On the screen, we have a simple table set up, and we are going to use a practical example. You may download this Excel sheet from the lesson website. Let's imagine that we work in the compliance department of a company and part of our job is to review employees' expense claims. When employees go on trips or attend conferences, they submit expenses, and we need to check whether those expenses are acceptable. In this example, the expense categories are airfare, food, and entertainment. Column B shows the budgeted amount for each category. This is the amount the company expects employees to stay within. Column C shows the actual amount spent by the employee. To get started, select cell D2. This is where Excel will display the result of the if function. Then click on the FX icon in the Excel toolbar. In the search box, we type if and click Go. The if function appears in the list below, and we select it. The first part of the if function is the logical test. This is the condition that we want Excel to check. In our football match example, the logical test is, did our team win? In our worksheet example, we want to check whether the actual amount spent is more than the budgeted amount. Therefore, in the first field, we click on C2, then type the mathematical symbol for greater than, and then click on B2. This field is asking Excel to check whether C2 is greater than B2. Next, Excel asks what should happen if the condition is true. Since we want a text result, we type the text, over budget. There is no need to add the quotation marks, as these are added automatically. Finally, we specify what should happen if the condition is false. In this case, we type, within budget. Once we click OK, Excel displays the result. Because 525 is less than 600, the expense is marked as within budget. Instead of repeating this process for every row, we use the autofill function to copy the formula down the column. If we double-click on each row, we can see that Excel is comparing the correct budget and actual values. For example, in the third row, Excel correctly identifies that 1,500 is much higher than 250. This shows how the if function can quickly help us review data and highlight situations that may require further attention.